Welcome back to the channel. If you are new to the world of sport bikes and looking for the best options for beginners in 2024, you are in the right place. Today we are covering the top 7 sport bikes that are perfect for those just starting out. Whether you are invested in electric bikes or traditional mountain bikes, we have got something for everyone. Let's dive into the details and find the perfect ride for you. Starting off our list is the Vivi M0260GB electric bike. This bike stands out for its blend of power and practicality, making it an excellent choice for beginners. It features a robust 350-watt motor that provides ample assistance for both flat terrains and uphill rides. The bike comes with a 36-volt lithium battery that offers a range of up to 35 miles on a single charge, which is ideal for daily commutes or leisurely rides around the neighborhood. The design of the Vivi M0260GB is both stylish and functional, with a sleek frame and adjustable handlebars that cater to riders of different heights. The front suspension fork smooths out bumps and uneven surfaces, ensuring a comfortable ride even on rough terrain. The bike also includes a 7-speed gear system, allowing you to easily adjust your riding experience based on the terrain and your personal preferences. Durability is another strong point of this electric bike. The frame is constructed from high-quality aluminum, which is both lightweight and resistant to corrosion. Additionally, the bike features front and rear disc brakes that provide reliable stopping power, enhancing overall safety.
Still wasting money on ads that get ignored? Let influencers tell your story. Promotional Pack connects your e-com brand to the right niche influencer to reach your target audience. Get more sales with less spent. Link in description.
Next up is the Qlife Cityone electric bike, which is tailored for those who prefer a smooth and efficient urban commute. This electric bike features a 250-watt motor paired with a 36-volt battery, offering a top speed of 20 miles per hour and a range of up to 25 miles per charge. The Qlife Cityone is designed with a focus on comfort and convenience, featuring a step-through frame that makes mounting and dismounting easy, especially in city environments. The bike is equipped with a 6-speed transmission system that allows for versatile riding, whether you are navigating city streets or tackling slight inclines. The ergonomic design includes a comfortable saddle and adjustable handlebars, ensuring a pleasant ride for different body types. The inclusion of front and rear LED lights adds an extra layer of safety for evening rides, while the included fenders help keep you clean and dry in wet conditions. In terms of durability, the Qlife Cityone's frame is made from high-strength steel, which enhances stability and longevity. The bike also features reliable front and rear disc brakes that provide consistent stopping power. For beginners who need a dependable and efficient electric bike for city commuting, the Qlife Cityone offers a well-rounded package. At number 3, we have the Jasion EB5 electric bike, known for its versatility and value for money. This electric bike is equipped with a 1250-watt motor and a 36-volt battery, offering a maximum speed of 15.5 mph and a range of up to 30 miles on a single charge. The Jasion EB5 is designed with both comfort and performance in mind, featuring a front suspension fork and a rear suspension that work together to absorb shocks and ensure a smooth ride on various terrains. The design of the Jasion EB5 includes a steady aluminum frame that supports a maximum load capacity of 264 pounds, making it suitable for a wide range of riders. The bike also comes with a 7-speed gear system, allowing for easy shifting and adaptation for different riding conditions. Additionally, the Jasion EB5 features front and rear disc brakes, which deliver reliable stopping power for enhanced safety. One of the key highlights of the Jasion EB5 is its foldable design, which makes it convenient for storage and transportation. This feature is especially useful for beginners who may need to transport their bike or store it in small spaces. The combination of its performance features and user-friendly design makes the Jasion EB5 an excellent choice for those new to electric biking. Number 4 is the Qlife Racer electric bike for adults, a model that offers an impressive blend of performance and style. This bike is powered by a 350-watt motor and a 48-volt battery, providing a top speed of 28 miles per hour and a range of up to 40 miles on a single charge. The Qlife Racer is designed with a sleek, aerodynamic frame that enhances both speed and efficiency, making it an excellent choice for those who enjoy a more dynamic riding experience. The bike's 21-speed gear system offers a wide range of options for different terrains, allowing riders to easily switch between gears based on their needs. The front and rear disc brakes ensure strong stopping power, while the full suspension system provides a smooth ride by effectively absorbing shocks from rough surfaces. With its high-quality aluminum frame, the Qlife Racer is both durable and lightweight, making it easier to handle for beginners. The bike also includes a comfortable saddle and adjustable handlebars, enhancing overall ride comfort. For those looking for an electric bike that delivers both performance and style, the Qlife Racer is a fantastic option. At number 5, we have the Core electric bike for adults. This model is designed to offer a reliable and enjoyable riding experience with its powerful 500-watt motor and 48-volt battery. The Core electric bike delivers a top speed of 20 miles per hour and a range of up to 40 miles, making it suitable for longer rides and commutes. Its robust motor ensures ample power for tackling hills and varied terrains with ease. The design of the Core electric bike features a steady steel frame that provides durability and stability. The bike comes with a 7-speed gear system, allowing riders to easily adjust their speed and performance based on their needs. The front suspension fork and rear shock absorber work together to smooth out rough surfaces, ensuring a comfortable ride. Safety features include front and rear disc brakes, which offer reliable stopping power, and a bright LED headlight for enhanced visibility during low-light conditions. The bike's ergonomic design includes an adjustable saddle and handlebars, catering to different rider preferences. For beginners who need a dependable and powerful electric bike, the Core electric bike offers a great combination of performance, comfort, and durability. Number 6 is the Huffy Cityone Hardtail mountain bike, a great option for those who prefer a traditional mountain bike experience. The bike features a durable steel frame and a front suspension fork that provides excellent shock absorption, making it ideal for off-road and rough terrain. The Huffy Cityone is equipped with a 18-speed gear system, offering versatility and control for various riding conditions. The design includes snowy tires that provide good traction on uneven surfaces, enhancing stability and control. The bike also features front and rear linear pull brakes, which deliver reliable stopping power. The Huffy Cityone is known for its rugged build and ease of use, making it a solid choice for beginners who are new to mountain biking. In terms of usability, the Huffy Cityone's straightforward design makes it easy to handle and maintain. The bike's steady construction ensures durability even with frequent use. Its affordability and reliable performance make it a popular choice for those starting out in the world of mountain biking. Finally, at number 7, we have the Outroad folding mountain bike, which combines the practicality of a folding bike with the rugged features of a mountain bike. This model is designed with a high-strength steel frame that supports durability and stability. The Outroad folding mountain bike features a front suspension fork and a 18-speed gear system, offering versatility for various terrains and riding conditions. The folding design is a standard feature, allowing for easy storage and transportation. This is particularly useful for beginners who may need to transport their bike or store it in small spaces. The bike also comes with knobby tires that provide good traction and stability, making it suitable for both urban and off-road riding. The Outroad folding mountain bike is equipped with front and rear disc brakes for reliable stopping power. The bike's compact design doesn't compromise on performance, making it a great choice for those who need a versatile and space-saving option. With its combination of durability, performance, and convenience, the Outroad folding mountain bike is a valuable option for beginners. And that wraps up our list of the 7 best sport bikes for beginners you can buy in 2024. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more updates. Share your favorite bikes or any questions you have in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.